Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. This is part 2 of unboxing the new Cult Beauty beauty edits that were released early access on Sunday and general sale on Monday. And in this video I'm going to be unboxing the skin enhancing edit. It says elevate your complexion to sparkling new heights with this curated 6-piece edit starring radiance revealing essentials, coveted clarifiers and skintellectual recommended staples. Get ready to welcome your best skin yet. You can thank us later. If you haven't already seen last night's video, I unboxed the Skin Essentials edit. They both cost £45 and you will find links to them down below in my description. The value of this edit comes in at a whopping £209. Cult Beauty always do amazing value boxes. And if you're interested in both boxes, when you add 2 boxes to checkout, then you will automatically receive £10 off, which is what I did. So instead of paying £90 for 2, you'll get them for £80. As well as the links to the boxes down below in my description, you'll also see all my links and discount codes to other websites. So yeah, so you're welcome to take a look. So let's get on to showing you what's inside the Skin Enhancer edit. This little bag was in the other box as well. I think it's such a great idea. It's a recycling bag. It's a free postage bag, so you put all your recycled beauty stuff like plastic bottles and tubes, plastic makeup packaging. It tells you everything on the back there. But yeah, you just pop it in there, seal it and post it through the letterbox. It's such a good idea. I really do think more beauty boxes should add these in their boxes. Here's a little sneak peek of what's to come. So starting off then with a Murad, the biggest item in the box, we have got AHA BHA exfoliating cleanser, and there's 200 mils. This is full size and this is really great. I received this in a beauty box, or maybe 2. I might have had 2 in the past. Really recommend. It contains both salicylic acid and glycolic acid, so it helps with texture on your skin, it helps with fine lines and wrinkles, it helps to brighten your skin. It's really great for pigmentation as well. Can I tell you anything else? Intensive triple action exfoliator with a proprietary blend of salicylic, lactic and glycolic acid, polishes away dull dry skin without irritation, reveals smooth texture and a brighter, younger looking complexion. And they recommend you to use it no more than 2 to 3 times a week. I'll just show you what it's like on my hand. When you think of an exfoliating cleanser, you think of a really harsh, lumpy cleanser, don't you? That's going to like scratch away everything off your face. But no, it's the acids that do the work, but also you can very, very faintly feel like a fine texture to it as well. So that helps with like lifting dead skin cells off your skin. It's a really nice cleanser and I'm really chuffed that I've got it again. So there's that. And I'm really excited about this because I've never tried this before. Paula's Choice. This is a skin perfecting 25% AHA and 2% BHA. It's an exfoliant peel. So it's a rinse off treatment for all skin types and it reserves the skin to radiant perfection. It's 30 mils here. I'm obsessed with Paula's Choice BHA exfoliating toner. I love it. It leaves my skin so soft. I use it a couple of times a week. So if I was using this, for instance, I wouldn't use it at the same time. So you're not overdoing it with the acids on your skin because you don't want to strip the skin's barrier because, yeah, you don't want to cause any irritation. So this is a treatment. Use once per week. Use on clean skin. Apply a generous layer all over the face and neck. Leave on for 10 minutes and rinse thoroughly. So this could be like my Sunday night little treatment. It's got sunburn alert. This product contains an alpha hydroxy acid, AHA, that may increase your skin sensitivity to the sun and particularly the possibility of sunburn. Use a sunscreen, wear protective clothing and limit sun exposure while using this product and for a week afterwards. Or you do what I do and you wear SPF every single day. So we've got a treatment peel there. Next up, we've got True Botanicals, a new brand for me. This is a pure radiance oil and it's Renew. It's 30 mils. If any of you have tried any products from this brand, I'd love to hear what you think of it. It just says apply 3 to 8 drops to clean skin. Our best-selling oil that helps target signs of aging and is clinically proven to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and increase hydration levels. A revolutionary blend of omega-3 fatty acids, 14 easily absorbable seed oils, algae extract and, oh my gosh, I can't say this word, astaxanthin then helps to deliver more hydrated, visibly plump and youthful looking skin. Yeah, can you see? Very hard to see. Let's try a little bit on my hand over here. Ooh. smells nice. Yeah, it's not too thick and tacky either. Just a nice subtle botanical smell. I can't describe exactly what it is. Yeah, it's nice. It does feel nice as well. Okay, so we got True Botanicals Pure Radiance Facial Oil there. I cannot wait for this. This is Thank You Farmer. This is an SPF. This is 50 plus Sun Protect Water Sun Cream, and there's 50 mils. I love Thank You Farmer. It's a Korean brand, and I've been buying it from Cult Beauty for the last 2 or 3 years, something like that. And this one out of them all just seems to be out of stock. Not all the time. It is a very, very popular one from the range. It just sits so nicely on my skin, on top of my moisturiser and underneath my makeup. It's just so lovely. All the information on here and on the box is in Korean. So I went onto the Cult Beauty website so I can give you some more information about it. It's a beautiful moisturiser meets sunscreen. Has an ultra-light texture that diffuses beautifully, infusing skin with precious water thanks to high levels of hyaluronic acid while deflecting DNA damaging rays. Plumping and thirst quenching, this grants a natural dewy finish with no chalky cast. While the inclusion of mistletoe extract helps stimulate cellular turnover, encouraging repair and renewal processes to minimise the damage caused through everyday exposure to the sun and oxidative stress. It's had 842 nearly 5-star reviews on Cult Beauty. Other SPFs from this brand are really great as well. They're just so nice on the skin. Yeah, I 100% recommend Thank You Farmer. We got 2 items left. We got Kopari. This is a lip gloss. It's clear, silicone free. 10 grams there. A clear coconut flavoured lip balm that locks in moisture, smooths and adds shine. A little bit on my hand. Oh, it's not too gunky. It's really nice. It's similar to like a lip oil actually. I don't like really thick and sticky lip glosses. But no, this one's really nice. It's got a lip gloss. And then lastly, we've got Medik8, and this is Crystal Retinol 6, a stable retinol night serum. And we've got a sample here of how big are you? I don't know, it would probably say, oh yeah, 4 mils. And this is what I use at night. And I've been using this for a long time. I started off slow. You can build yourself up in strengths, but I'm currently on number 6. And it doesn't give me any irritation. I just love Medik8. I'm wearing the C Tetra, the vitamin C serum, the hyaluronic acid serum as well today. What else? That's it from Medik8 for my skincare this morning. I've got the peptide moisturiser and, oh no, I'm actually wearing the Crystal 6 eye cream as well, which you'd think, ooh, under your eyes, cause irritation, redness, whatever. No, it doesn't. It doesn't. It just, yeah, it glides on really nicely. Yeah, I do love this brand so much. It's one of my favourite brands. I got a little sample now to take away with me if I go away anywhere. Oh, it says here as well, use twice a week for the first 2 weeks, every other night for the next 2 weeks, then every night. It's just to ease you in. So actually saying that, Cult Beauty should have added in, should have done maybe a lower number if you're brand new to Medik8, and just use it sparingly, I suppose, and see how your skin does. So there you go, those are all the products in this skin enhancing set. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. So you've got the AHA BHA exfoliating cleanser from Murad. We got the Sun Protect SPF water cream from Thank You Farmer. We got Paula's Choice exfoliating peel. Got True Botanicals Pure Radiance Oil. We got Kopari, a clear lip gloss. And lastly, we've got a sample of Medik8. It's a nighttime serum. Lots of products in that box that I really like, which is why I had to go for both of them. As always, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Did you see my other video last night? How do you think they compare? Which one do you prefer? And yeah, are you going to get any of them? I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.